Let's Geo go!
ABCmouse.
Ivy, it's barely 7 a.m. on a Sunday.
Plants don't have weekends, silly. But that's not why I'm here. Look!
Someone squashed the squash?
And it's up to us to figure out who did it.
It has to be the squirrel. I've seen the way he looks at our tomatoes.
Aw, he's just a cute little squirrel. He's not big enough to step on the squash. There's someone standing by the squash.
I don't know that kid. I wonder if he's working with a squirrel.
I don't either, but maybe they know who squashed the squash. Hey, this is Niko. My name's Ivy.
Hi, I'm Riley. My family just moved in upstairs. Is this your garden?
It's everybody's garden.
I'm really sorry, but I stepped on something this morning and squished it. I didn't see it because I'm blind.
Whoa, what happened? Did you hurt your eyes?
Don't ask him that.
No, it's okay. I don't mind. I've always been blind. Well, partially sighted. It means I can sort of see blurry shapes, but sometimes I can't tell where things are in a new place.
Oh, Niko, we've got to make the garden more accessible. You know, easier for everybody to use.
Yeah. Okay, sure.
What would make the garden more accessible for you?
It would help if the paths were wider or marked.
What if we added some rocks so it's easier to tell where the path starts and ends?
Oh, that's a good idea.
Oh, we can also add speakers on every path to give you a message when you get too close and...
Actually, I don't need that.
Okay. Ooh, I saw a movie one time where a blind person had a dog to guide her through crowded places.
Ivy.
Where can we get a dog?
Ivy, listen. The paths and rocks are enough, at least for me.
Oh, of course.
But you know what would be helpful in the meantime? Can you two walk around with me so I can learn where everything is?
That we can do. And go.
Hey, this week we made some changes to the garden to make it more accessible. It's everybody's garden, so we want to make sure everybody can enjoy it. And we made a new friend, Riley.
That's me. Hello.
Riley is blind. At first, we thought we knew how to help, but we learned again to ask questions and find out more.
Sometimes people need help, and other times they don't. I brought a new plant for the garden, by the way. Hyacinths. They smell amazing.